guys. A micro oven, 60 kilo micro oven. So I would like to invite Mr. Shahjahan to hand over this award. Sorry, not 60 kilo, 60 liter. So the next winner will be chosen by Aisha. Please take. Oh. Nasla.
And this award will be given by team's manager, Mohammad Arshad.
What are you doing, Dorito?
It's a LED TV, a smart one.
Don't hurt his feelings. My big knows he's very personal.
Arshad, few words.
No, thank you. So Omar will pick the third winner. Hey! It's a JBL speaker. Congrats, Aisha, congrats. And we would like to invite Mr. Akram to hand over the award. Dayak vidra damma. Now it's time for the individual awards. First, I would like to call Mr. Shafraz Nana, Coligo Group, Shafraz Nana, to hand over the plate final man of the match. And it goes to Mr. Rasmi from Colombo City FC.
Forgot about that. That was very nice.
What are you doing, Dorito?
Thank you, Shafraz Nana. Next, I would like to call Mr. Mubin. Mr. Mubin from Vibestream.
Don't hurt his feelings.
And the veterans
He's very personal.
final man of the match goes to none other than Mr. Master Izzadin. Thank you, Master. Thank you, Mubin. And I would like to call Master Faris from Kottahin Express to hand over the award for Elite Final Man of the Match, Praveen Perumal. Thank you, Mr. Faris. Next, I would like to call Mr. Liaquat to hand over individual awards for elite veterans category. Mr. Liaquat. The highest goal scorer of veterans category goes to Master Izzadin.
Oh, why are you tempting me right now? That's so awesome. Forgot
Kaka.
about that. That was very nice. Pop.
And the best goalkeeper award goes to Master Azhar from Kottayan Express. Master Azhar. He conceded just one goal entire tournament. Good job.
Don't hurt his feelings. Might dig in though. Very personal.
And the most valuable player of the tournament, veterans category, 10 goal plus assists, Mr. Izzadin. Please come forward from Kottayan Express.
Work your way out.
So we would like to have some thoughts. They have come all the way from Sri Lanka just to play this tournament. It was a great effort from him and his team, and thank you so much for that. So we would like to share his few of his thoughts as well about this tournament and Dubai football.
Assalamualaikum ඔක්කොටම මේ ඇත්තට මාර වටිනා මේ වගේ දෙයක් කරපු එකට දුබයි ක්ලබ් එකට ෆස්ට් ටයිම් අපි ටූර්නමන්ට් එකට සහභාගී වුණේ කොමල්ලා පොඩියල් කොලෙජ් එකලා ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ මේ සන්තෝෂ වෙන්නේ ඒ වගේ උදේට ටූර්නමන්ට් එක ආයි දිගට මේවයි කරන්න කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා ටූර්නමන්ට් එකට.
Thank you, Master. Thank you. Now I would like to call Mr. Ahmed. Ahmed.
Oh, why are you
Ahmed,
tempting
tal,
me
tal.
right now? That's so awesome. Forgot about that. That was very nice. Pop. And
What? What are you doing, Toledo? Don't hurt his feelings. Might dig in though. Very personal. Exactly the same as
Now it's time for elite category individual awards. Highest goal scorer goes to Munchef, Mavanal FC.
my poster on my door. That's the picture I showed that girl.
Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you.
Like a medium brown with a really blonde hair. I have one.
Next, I would like to ask
That's old.
Master Faris from Kottayan Express to come forward to hand over the best goalkeeper awards, which goes to Nafis Panthers FC.
forgot about that. That was a scary moment. Pop. And
What? What are you doing, Toledo?
Next, I would like to call Mr. Amjad Janab.
Don't hurt his feelings.
And the most valuable player of the tournament goes to
Personal.
Mr. Praveen from Dubai FCA. Thank you, Janab. So after individual awards, now we are going for the team awards. The first awards we have introduced this year, Fair Play Award, which goes to Colombo City FC, both the teams. They deserve it. They deserve the award. They were on time. They were disciplined. And thank you so much. Thank you, Colombo City FC team. And I would like to ask Mr. Ryan Master to hand over the Fair Play Awards to Colombo City FC. Give them a huge applause. Thank you, team. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Mr. Hilmi from Omni Lanka to hand over the plate runner-ups medals. Plate runner-up medals.
What are you doing, Toledo?
And I would like to call Sri Lanka Lions team to the stage. Plate runner-ups, Sri Lankan Lions youth. Thank you, team Abu Dhabi FC, who stays along. They need to travel to Abu Dhabi. Still, they were with us till the last moment. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. Aisha, please hand over the trophy. Yeah. So it's time for the trophy. Plate runner-up, Sri Lankan Lions Youth from Abu Dhabi. Wow. Mr. Ilmi, we still need you here. So now it's time for Plate Champions medals. Colombo City FCB, Plate Champions. Plate champions of Dubai Football 7 Football Tournament 2026. Captain, please come forward to receive your trophy.
Forgot about that.
What are you doing, Toledo?
Congrats, Colombo City FCB.
Very personal.
So the next award goes to Veterans third place, United FC. United FC Masters. And I would like to call Mr. Mustaq Haji from Abu Dhabi FC to hand over the trophy from Al Nada. Al Nada, Al Nada. Thank you Mustaq Haji, thank you Sajan Kaka. Next, I would like to call
Forgot about that. That was very nice.
What are you doing, Toledo?
Next, I would like to call Miss Marjana, alias Mrs. Rifki. Please come forward. To hand over the elite category third place trophy. United FC. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now I would like to ask Mr. Rifki from Magic Touch Advertising to hand over the veterans category runner-up medals, which goes to Panthers Masters. Medal.
Forgot about that.
Panthers Masters captain, please come forward. Congrats, Panthers Masters, the runner-up of Dubai FC Sevens Football Tournament 2026.
Wanna get you alone, now, not ready to ignite. I want us to go on, now, turn up every light, baby, burn me to ashes. Let I rise, let I rise. You set my body, all on my body. You set my body, all on my body. I'm fine. You set my body, all on my body. You set my body, all on my body. I'm fine. You set my body, all on my body. You set my body, all on my body.
Congrats team Veteran Masters. Thank you uncle.
Forgot about that.
What? What are you doing, Toledo?
Guys, thank you very much for honoring me to give this award on behalf of Al Nahda Sports Club, and I'm a part of Al Nahda Group and the committee members. We sincerely apologize for the misbehave what happened through with our team. We sincerely apologize for all the players who are here, all the spectators, whatever happened through our side. I sincerely apologize. Please accept our apologies, which will not happen in future again. Thank you very much.
Thank you Rifki uncle, we accept that. Thank you. And next I would like to ask Mr. Azhar from Kitchen Wife's Restaurant. Mr. Azhar from Kitchen Wife's Restaurant. So now it's time for the Veterans Champions of 2026 Dubai Sevens Football Tournament. Goes to Kotahene Express. Would like to call Kotehena Express captain along with the team to receive their champions trophy. Please come forward. Come, all the team, all the team, all the team. Congrats, Kotehena Express, and thank you. Next, I would like to call Mr. Imran from Coligo Group. Mr. Imran, give him a huge applause, guys. Mr. Imran from Coligo Group. I would like to first of all I would like to say my condolences. Unfortunately, Imran's brother's daughter passed away today. It's an unfortunate incident in Allah wa inna ilaihi rajiun. So we all pray for her. And sorry for that. And I would like to hear some words from Mr. Imran. Please go ahead.
Good evening, guys. It was a great event. It was well arranged event, and almost there are few incidents which has happened. Unfortunately, in a football game, it's normally happen. So just forgot about from the same time here, and let's move further. Inshallah, on the next event, I would like to sponsor the same, and I would like to continue it.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for Rifki Haji. I just wanted to see Rifki Haji. Okay, he's there. So he's one of the great friend, and we just collaborated doing this kind of event. So he's one of the most influenced person in UAE, and definitely, and Mustaq Haji also. So inshallah, let's try to do more events like this. So as a Coligo Group, we are here in Dubai. So definitely reach us for any kind of solution for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Imran. Even though it's a hard moment, but he was with us to make this event greater. Thank you so much for that. And now it's time for Elite runner-ups. I would like to call Dubai Panthers Black to receive their medals and trophies. The runner-up of 2026 Dubai 7th Football Season 2. Congratulations, Dubai Panthers Black, the runner-up of 2026 Dubai Sevens Football Tournament Season 2. Thank you, Team Panthers. Congrats again. Nafis. Come. So Nafis will share few of his thoughts.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum guys. It's been an amazing day throughout I would not say today, from 3 months prior. We've been preparing ourselves. I know most of the teams, we have seen them practicing for the tournament. So I would like to thank the team who participated over here and gave them the 100% to make this event successful. Yeah, and of course, without sponsors, these things wouldn't have possible. Thank you so much for the amazing sponsor, our Imran Nana, of course, Rifki Nana. He was there for our Sri Lankan community since the beginning. Okay, Rifki Nana, thank you so much for your great support, and other sponsors as well. Okay, I'll come to the climax part. Okay, it is not a it is not easy task to put a show like this. Yeah, so I would really give my full salute to the organizing team to put up this amazing show, right, and bring this tournament to this level. Yeah, I would 100% say that this is the best Sri Lankan. I would not say Sri Lankan, like one of the best tournament I have ever attended in this Dubai. Yeah, in this Dubai. Okay, so these guys have given a full tough to the people I was going to organize ahead. Yeah, so inshallah we'll try to keep up at least to what they have done. We'll try our best to keep up our level. Yeah, so definitely. Okay, again, our tournament is coming up in November 7th. So inshallah we'll keep you posted on that one. Okay, thank you so much for this, Mike man. Thank you.
Thank you, Nafis. Thank you. But before November 7, we would like to have at least 2 or 3 more tournaments from other teams. Please, we need more tournaments. We need to participate in more tournaments. So we request all the teams, try to arrange some tournaments to bring competitive between all the teams in UAE, Sri Lankans, UAE. So now it's time for the elite category champions, medals and trophies. I would like to call Dubai FC A team members to receive their medals. Congrats team, it was a great show entire day. Congrats. Congrats, Dubai FCA, the Elite Champions of 2026, Dubai FC Sevens Football Tournament 20. Congrats Dubai FC. Congrats. Before we proceeding to the end, we would like Mr. Rifki. He want to share something, so please guys, please listen, guys, please focus. Mr. Rifki uncle want to share some thoughts. Just a minute, I know it's longer day. It's been a longer day. So just 1 minute guys, please.
Guys, I don't want to take much time, but I really want to appreciate the Kottahen Express, who has, guys, if you have seen a game which I have never seen a long time, which the way they played in our even a youth or masters, the way they played the game, so beautiful. The passes from right to left, I mean, they kept the ball most of the time. We should learn from them how to play football. It was a really good game. We really enjoyed their game. You know, guys, Kottahen Express really appreciate. Salute for you all. A very good game for all the teams. Congratulations. All the best. Thank you. Thank you.
So, with this, we are requesting Kottahen Express, Dubai FC, Panthers Black, all three champions team for the group photo. All three champions team, Panthers Black. So guys, with this we officially conclude the Dubai FC Sevens Football Tournament Season 2. Thank you again for every player, sponsor, official, volunteer and supporter who made this season a grand success. We look forward to welcome you again, even bigger and better. And this is not the end. This is just Matu Sambandai. We will see you again on 2027. Thank you. Thank you guys. Good night. Safe travel and football forever. Visca Barça.